Welcome to this new lecture in the course of natural language processing with Python. Today we will discuss the tokenization, the concept of tokenization in natural language processing. Tokenization refers to the procedure of splitting a sentence into its constituent parts, for example, the words and punctuation that it is made up. It is made up of. It is different from simply splitting the sentence on white spaces, and instead, actually, it divides the sentence into its constituent words, numbers, and punctuation, which may not always be separated by white spaces. For example, consider the sentence I am reading a book. Here, our task is to extract words or tokens from this sentence. After passing this sentence to a tokenization program, the extracted words or tokens would be I am reading a book and full stop. This example extract one token at a time. Such tokens are called unigrams. To get a better understanding of tokenization, let's solve an exercise based on it. Exercise. Tokenization of a simple sentence. In this exercise, we will tokenize the words in a given sentence with the help of NLTK library. Follow these steps to implement this exercise using the sentence. I am, for example, we tokenize the sentence I am reading NLP fundamentals. Now we program it and tokenize this sentence. First of all, open a Jupyter notebook. In step 2, insert a new cell and add the following code to import the necessary libraries and download the different types of NLTK data that we are going to use for different tasks in the following exercise. Okay, from NLTK. NLTK is a library which is a popular library which are used to do different types of natural language processing. Import word underscore tokenize. This is a built-in method of NLTK library which is used to tokenize the tokenization of a text or a sentence. Download. Download function is used to download different data which are already available in NLTK library. Okay. No, we download. Punct. Punct is an algorithm which is used to tokenize a sentence or a text or a paragraph. Similarly, average perceptron tracker. This is used for part of speech tagging, which we will discuss in the next lecture. And also a list of stop words. What are stop words? These will be discussed in the next lecture. So, in this lecture, our focus is on the punct algorithm. The word underscore tokenize method or function is used to split the sentence into words or tokens. We need to add a sentence as input to the word tokenize method so that it performs its job. The result obtained will be a list which we will store in a word variable. To implement this, insert a new cell and add the following code. Define a function get underscore tokens and pass a parameter named sentence. Sentence will be contain the will be contain the will be contain a sentence or a paragraph. Then we define. Then we make a variable word and then we call our built-in function word underscore tokenize and pass our sentence and then returns variable words. Okay. Run this one. Okay. This is the required data which we have downloaded and then run this cell Okay, now our function is ready to tokenize our sentence. In order to view the list of tokens generated, we need to view it using the print function. Okay, print, call the function get underscore tokens and pass a sentence. I am reading NLP fundamentals. And this functions, the output of this function or cell will be separating I am separating reading separating. Actually, it divide into its tokens and then returns into a list of tokens. Okay, when when we run the cell, then in return it will return a list of its tokens are this text. I is token, M is token, reading is called token, NLP token. Also, full stop punctuation, full stop is also a token. So, this is the whole concept of tokenization in natural language processing. So, thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.